100 years ago, we didn't even know such a thing as galaxy existed. So we are on the exponential curve of knowledge. We're going to learn a lot more, and chances are there's a lot more that we don't know than what we know.
Thank you, Dr. Naderi, for your presence.
Can we just limit it down to the last two questions, please?
I have a classical question, which many of us maybe heard about it. In one of the lectures, in one of the slides, you mentioned that we were lucky and the location is very important, that we are here and we are a special kind of human creature. Now, from your scientific point of view, do you believe that this all what happened and people are here living in this planet Earth, is it just by chance, or it is a God's decision, or it's a plan from God or a creature?
Yeah, I mean, this is a question that I'm asked often, right? The question of religion and science, right? And honestly, what I respond to it, that science is a discipline of observation. I see, therefore I believe. I see, therefore I know. Religion is a system which is based on belief. I mean, we don't ask everything about religion to have been observed by us in order to believe it. We observe it on the basis of faith. They are two completely different notions. You cannot intermingle them. I happen to think that there are aspects of religion which, if we translate them literally, like God created the heaven and earth in 7 days, well, we know that didn't happen. I mean, there is actual proof that the heaven and earth wasn't built in 7 days. Now, however, I don't also think that there is necessarily a contradiction between religion and between science. I said I can explain, or scientists can explain, how we got here from 14 billion years ago, from the first hydrogen, how it evolved, and chemical evolution of the universe, and biological evolution of the universe, and all of that. And a lot of people then would ask, well, who started Big Bang? And then you're stuck, right? But I don't see any contradiction. In fact, many of the physicists of our time, they're a believer. They believe in a creator, okay? But not necessarily exactly the way you read it in the holy books, if you interpret it very narrowly. But I don't have any response except for a fact to say that you are religious or not based on your belief, and you're a scientist or not based on your observation. One last question in the back, young lady there. Yes.
The sir in front of me, he said what I wanted to ask you, but did you use the Bible or the Quran